It's me, Sherry, and I'm just here in my backyard, and I thought I'd do a quick video. It's Saturday, and I just thought I'd pop on and show you this very casual, yet a little dressy outfit of the day. And I will start on my lips. I'm wearing Candy Yum Yum. I just thought I'd like to brighten things up today, and I even did a smoky eye with this bright lip, and I know that's probably a no-no for a lot of people, but I felt like I really needed some color, because usually when I wear black, I like to probably put a little pop of color because I just feel like black really, I don't know, ages me. So does my age, but oh well. Anyway, I will get started. This look is totally inspired by my sister who I visited in Canada a couple weeks ago, and when I saw her for the first time in a few months, she was wearing this vest, and I absolutely love this vest, so I asked her where she got it. We went to Suzy Shear, and thank God they had one. So they had actually quite a few. So, and it's just a little faux leather vest with some sheer, I don't know, sheer material on either side. They're both like that. And then I got this, whoops, cute little jacket from Suzy Shear too. It's on clearance. It's like a little moto jacket in a camel color, and I thought that was really cute. And this necklace is also from Suzy Shear. So you Canadians who love Suzy Shear, you can go get it if you like it. Very inexpensive. A lot of things were on sale the day that I went, and we were actually in Square One, which I haven't been there in quite a few years, and I'm from Canada, meaning Toronto, if I didn't mention that. So anyway, let me finish off this outfit. The top underneath the vest is a very old top I got from BCBG, and my jeans are these skinny American Eagle jeans. My boots are Frank Sardo boots, and I think that's it. And jewelry, I'm just wearing just little Chanel old earrings that I've had for years. And like I said, this necklace is Suzy Shear. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.